Welcome to Sparks Toyota. Here we have a 2014 Ford F-150 Lariat. It has a clean one-owner Carfax and comes with power heated mirrors with signals, keypad entry, step rails, deep tinted glass, and much more. 18-inch bright aluminum wheels, all-terrain tires, fully automatic aero composite halogen headlamps, fog lights, recovery hooks, and a strong 8-cylinder four-wheel drive with only 20,041 miles. A power sliding rear window, the bed cover, the tow package, a locking tailgate, and a comfortable back seat with cup holders and power outlets. We can't forget about the power sunroof, the front row power heated and cooled, leather seats with driver memory, cruise, dual zone auto climate, power adjusting pedals, outside temp, a leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the multimedia and navigation touchscreen with a CD player, Bluetooth and voice activation, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze. Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.